Hey everyone, and welcome to the club, and welcome to another weekend art challenge. Today I'll be fusing Kirby with Goomba. Let's get started at the top center of our page with the eyes. So from the center we're going to move over to the left and draw in a long oval. Starting from the top, curve around to the bottom, and then back up towards the top. We're going to leave a small gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of the oval, curve all the way down to the bottom, and back up towards the top. We're going to add a highlight circle at the top of each eye. So up here, we're going to start at the very top and draw in a circle. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to add a highlight glare along the bottom. So about halfway down the eye, I'm just going to curve down and back up. Let's fill the center areas in black. Now we're going to draw in Goomba's eyebrow. So we step all the way over towards the left. We're going to curve up and then down towards the eye. Going up. Now we're going to come down towards the eye and then we'll curl it up on the inside. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. We're going to start on the inside, leaving a small gap in the middle. Curve down into the eye. Go up and then down. Now let's thicken up the eyebrow. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to curve up a little higher in the middle, and then taper down towards the bottom on top of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving up, rounding it out, and coming down towards the corner of the eyebrow. Let's fill this in black. On either side of the eyes, we're going to add a small oval for the cheeks. So we're going to start on the left, starting from the top of the oval. We're going to curve out, in, and back up towards the top. Let's line this up on the right side. Now in the center, we're going to add Kirby's mouth. Start on the left side, we're going to curve up, and then down. Now we're going to connect those 2 points with a half circle. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down towards the bottom of the mouth and then back up on the right. Let's add the edge of the tongue. From the top corner, we're going to step down and curve across from left to right. Now that we've drawn the face, let's work our way around the head. So just above the cheek on the left side, we're going to step up and draw a half circle. We're going to go over the eyebrow to the top of the head and then bring this back down on the right side. Now from the ends, we're going to curve this out towards the cheek. Starting on the left side, we're going to go out around the cheek. We'll do the same thing on the right side, curving out. Now we're going to round out the cheek and then come down towards the lower part of the head. So start on the left, we're going to round this out, curve down towards the bottom of the head. Let's go to the right side and do the same. We'll round out the cheek and pull that in towards the bottom. Now let's add in the arms. On the left side here, right beside the cheek, we're going to draw almost like a half oval. Starting up here on the cheek, we'll curve out, round out the bottom, and then pull that in behind the body. Now let's go to the top. Just above the right eyebrow, we're going to curve up, pull it down the side, and then tuck that in behind the head. Now we're going to have this character in a running motion. So on the right side, we see the bottom of the foot. So we're going to angle an oval going out. So starting on the right side here, curve in, round out the heel. Now we're going to go back up towards the right, round out the foot, and then just pull that back in. Let's draw on the bottom edge of the shoe. Starting on the right side, we're going to draw another oval, curving around, down, and just curl around the bottom of the heel. Now we're going to tuck the body in underneath the head and the foot. So over on the left side, we're going to curve it around, down towards the bottom, and we're going to pull this in behind the foot. Now we're going to see the top of the left foot. Starting on the side of the body, curve out, and then down. We're going to round out the foot, and then pull that up underneath the body. And that's pretty much it. There's our Kirby and Goomba fusion. I hope you enjoyed today's art challenge. Make sure you subscribe and send me your challenge ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.